Good morning, my dear students. This is Neeraj Kumar, your English teacher. Today I am here to give you the explanation poem number 5 from class 6th. The name of the poem is Where Do All the Teachers Go? My dear students, at the very starting, let's talk about the title of the poem. What does it mean? Actually, this is a question from their students. The people want to know that means do the teachers also have home? Do the teachers also live in the houses? Do the teachers also do the same things as we people do? So now let us know more about this poem. Okay. So here I am going to start with the first stanza. I hope you will be paying attention on my words. Where do all the teachers go when it is 4 o'clock? 4 o'clock means when school is dismissed. So students are asking that where the teachers go, where actually the people go. Do they go to their houses? Do they live in houses and do they wash their socks? The students want to know that. Do the teachers also have houses? Do they live somewhere? And as we people sometimes wash our socks, so do they also do the same thing? Let us go ahead. Do they wear pajamas? And do they watch television? Students are saying that means when school is dismissed, we simply go back to our houses and we wear most probably, pajamas at home. So they want to know that the teachers also wear the same. The teachers also wear pajamas or something else. Once we people are get bored because of something, so we love to watch television, we love to watch our favorite movie or serial. So do the teachers also watch their favorite serial or movies? Let us move ahead. And do they pick their noses the same as you and me? Students are saying that sometimes when it is quarrel with family members, when we people start quarreling, when we people have got some kind of discussion, so what we people do means when our parents keep discussing something about a serious matter, so what we do, we make them, we disturb them, we bother them. So students want to know that if teachers also do the same thing, do they bother, do they disturb their parents while discussing? Now let us move ahead. Do they live with the other people? Students are saying that as we people live with family members like parents, brothers, sisters, uncles, aunts. So here the people want to know that do the teachers also have parents, brother, sister, uncle, aunts? Have they moms and dads? They want to know that do the teachers also have moms and dads? Are parents there at their homes or not? Next, and were they ever children? Students want to know that as we people are students, we people are children, right? We come to school, we study, we people are taught by the teachers. So they want to know that have they ever been children? Have they ever gone to school? Have they ever completed their homework? Have they ever been punished by the teachers? Let us move ahead. And were they ever bad? Students are saying that as we people make mistakes during lecture, as we people create nuisance in the class, so they want to know that have teachers also ever committed any blunder, made any mistake? Have they ever been bad to the teachers as we people are? So my dear students, this is something from this poem, and the rest part of this poem will be taken next time. Thank you very much.